Right after her assumption to office, Vice President Sara Duterte initiated the establishment of satellite offices in strategic areas around the country. The decision was guided by the vision of the Office of the Vice President to be a dynamic partner institution in nation building that creates a lasting impact in every Filipino. Through these satellite offices, OVP services have become more accessible to Filipinos outside the National Capital Region. Since 2022, 10 OVP satellite offices opened their doors to the public and ushered in much-needed assistance in different regions across the country. In Luzon, Cagayan Valley, Pangasinan, and Bicol. In Visayas, Panay and Negros Islands, Eastern Visayas, Cebu, Bohol, and Siquijor, and in Mindanao, Caraga, Western Mindanao, Southern Mindanao, and the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao. In addition, 2 extension offices of the Public Assistance Division were also opened in Lipa, Batangas, and Tondo, Manila. Each satellite office and extension office across the country complement the functions of the central office in Robinson Cybergate Plaza in Mandaluyong. By establishing these satellite offices and extension offices, we have championed our goal to expand the delivery of OVP's social service initiatives. We have also successfully introduced new projects and programs intended to serve more Filipinos in various communities across the country. To this day, we remain committed to provide assistance to a wider number of individuals and families and work even harder in paving the way for the following programs. Medical Assistance Program. The Office of the Vice President extends essential medical assistance tailored to uplift the economically disadvantaged segments of society, including the poor, marginalized, vulnerable, and disadvantaged Filipinos. This assistance aims to alleviate the financial burdens of medical expenses. Burial Assistance Program. The Burial Assistance Program is a support initiative provided by the Office of the Vice President. This program offers financial aid to eligible clients to help cover burial expenses of families who lost their loved ones. We, at the Office of the Vice President, are continuously working together to implement new OVP programs that will enable our kababayan to access much-needed livelihood opportunities such as Magnegosyo Taday. The Magnegosyo Taday is a livelihood assistance program designed to assist men, women, and members of the LGBTQIA+ community in becoming self-sufficient, productive, and empowered citizens through the provision of livelihood subsidies and training programs. A fund amounting to 150,000 pesos will each be given to qualified organizations and 50,000 pesos to qualified individuals. They will also undergo technical and financial management training to ensure the success of their projects. OVP initiated a program that served thousands of Filipinos who rely on public transportation for their daily commutes to work, school, and other activities through the Libreng Sakay Program. The Libreng Sakay Program is a free transport aimed to provide relief to commuters who are dependent on public transportation. A total of 7 buses were deployed to transport passengers in Bacolod, Cebu, Davao, and in Metro Manila. In times of calamities, the OVP is ready to provide our kababayan under crisis situations with immediate relief and help through the following. The OVP Disaster Operations Center aims to provide immediate relief assistance to disaster-stricken areas. The OVP DOC complements the emergency response of LGUs and government agencies in times of disasters. They are tasked to serve as our frontline in disaster response and lead coordination with our local disaster risk reduction and management councils during a crisis. The Relief for Individuals in Crisis and Emergencies, or RISE program, is also a program created to provide food boxes containing rice, canned goods, and other food items to individuals and families needing immediate relief assistance. Kalusugan Food Truck. The Kalusugan food trucks are equipped with kitchens designed to prepare hot meals for responders and volunteers during disaster and calamities. The OVP trucks are strategically placed in Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. These trucks are also used to distribute the funds to the beneficiaries of the Pansarap Project. The Pansarap Project is a school-based feeding program for children aged 4 to 12 years old who suffer from malnutrition and poor health. As a supplemental feeding program, the Pansarap Project provides young students with nutritious Pansarap buns for a period of 120 days. Pagbabago, a Million Learners and Trees Campaign. The Pagbabago, a Million Learners and Trees Campaign is a three-pronged initiative that underscores the value of education, oral health, and the protection of the environment by aiming to plant 1 million trees. The bags distributed contain school supplies and dental kits for learners in remote communities and economically challenged families. This advocacy program hopes to inspire young learners so they will relentlessly pursue their dreams for better education. You Can Be VP. The You Can Be VP program offers a unique experience to its selected participants, an opportunity to join the VP on her official foreign trips and observe the VP's engagements and activities as part of her delegation. This program aims to inspire future leaders among the youth. Reflected in these OVP initiatives are the aspirations for community empowerment, promotion of education and patriotism, and advancement of a peaceful, secure, and stable life for Filipinos. This is the office of the Vice President. We are dedicated to serve the highest welfare of our kababayan, especially those who are most in need. We remain committed to deliver efficient, accessible, and responsive public services and programs for the good of all Filipinos. And together, we will steadfastly work with compassion, sincerity, and diligence to pursue our shared hope of a brighter future for our nation.